We do want to show you guys something real quick while we do have some time. Hold on. Okay. I plan on making like a key. So I've got I want to make it like this. So whenever I send out alerts and whatnot, I can tell you guys exactly where. Wait, where the fuck is it? So we can go like this. Like, you know, here's my buy zone. There's average price. There's all-time highs. There's buy zone, and whatnot. So we know like to take like sell targets. Here are our trims. Here's all-time highs. Here's average price. Here's buy zone. So you guys know exactly how to follow. You know what I'm saying? Wait, TE hit 710. Oh, dub. 720. Holy shit. Dub. Hell yeah. That's lit. EOS is up 5.5% too. Damn. And silver still outperforming them all. And silver still outperforming it all. The GOAT. And that's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT. Alrighty now. Alrighty now. We got 100 people in here, bro. What is up, everybody? Good to see y'all in here. 102 people now. Y'all know we about to go crazy again, bro. It's been a crazy start to the year. I mean, literally, I don't think anybody could ask for a better start to the year than we've had. And y'all know we're just going to keep it going. Not going to get too excited about it because it's only going to get better. So, but yeah, all three of my accounts are up over 10% year to date on long terms only, besides the one Silver Leap. But I'm sitting on 15K in cash in that account, so I don't really give a shit. But yeah, boys, accounts back over 90 G's, up 1,700 today. Looking good, looking good. Midline still crushing it, really. I haven't been looking at midline. Let's see if silver can make a new all-time high here. We're at 53% on these fucking calls, bro. 53%. All right, we got a few more minutes on orb, so I want to keep messing around here. But like, my God, dude. My God. What's up, Weatherman Cam? How you doing, bro? You ready to get into it? MDLN, right? Medline is ours. I got that memory, cuz. It is. Oh, damn, really? Wow, it actually did stay above. I heard it was a pretty decent company. I know they don't do the best of ethical work, but what you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it, man? Dude, silver is ripping, bro. I'm up 55% on these contracts. 55% on silver. And we still have a year left. Over a year left. Are you kidding me? Over a year fucking left. If these contracts go to 100, bro, that is 10 grand in profit. Holy fuck. 10 grand? Oh, hospitals definitely would. Barbados, yeah, I don't remember saying that, but I mean, that's honestly, I probably did say that because that would have made sense. But yeah, don't chase it if you have a small account. If you have a small account, leaps just aren't going to work for you. Personally, I mean, it's just an unfortunate part of what you got to get to first. GOAT, bro, GOAT. New IPO on Robinhood, bet. Let me check that out. Yeah, if your account's under probably 5K, these leaps just aren't really worth it because it's just a lot of your account, you know. BitGo. Interesting. When did we jump into silver? Last week. Not last week, but the Friday before, I believe. No, it was last Monday. We literally haven't even been in these for a full week. It was last Monday. But yeah, I have the alert. I have multiple alerts. I mean, I have alerts back from when silver was at 50 when we alerted the first leaps. I mean, you guys could have bought those for $4, and now they're at 2,500. What do you mean? TE just ripping? BE. Let me see if anybody's over here on the live. 1. Alrighty. I think my goal and what we're gonna start to do, boys, is we're gonna start doing a stream right here where we are, live and whatnot. Whether that is premium or live or free, and then after that, right after we take the trade, I want to switch over to YouTube. One, just so we can start to build an audience over there, and two, so we can chat better, and kind of be used for both, benefit everybody, kind of, and then we can start futures trading, and doing all that kind of stuff. But yeah, TE is ripping. I told you that was a good buy of TE. Look at this, bro. I'm telling you guys, these zones make sense. I mean, check out. We got the dip on silver, bro. I told you guys we got the dip when we could DCA. Look, remember when I was talking about the dip right here? This was the dip into the second wave retracement. Hey, we made a video about Fibonacci retracements last night for a reason, right? We made the video about Fibonacci retracements last night for a reason, guys. Look, how did I know that we were going to turn around and make a higher high? I drew the Fibonacci retracement tool. It indicated to me that we were starting the second wave move. Okay, look, we finished the second wave move, and look, onto our third wave target, which is the Fibonacci extension from that low to the high to the low. If you guys watch the video, that should make perfect sense. Nebius, anyone? I'm in Nebius, baby. You know it, cuz. All right. Back over here. We only got a few more minutes left. But yeah, that should all make sense. It should kind of tie together once you guys do take a look at that video I posted last night. That's what it was for. Do you think getting a silver call right now would be chasing it? Yes. I would not do it right now. I mean, at all-time highs, wait until you can get some kind of pullback. Uh-oh, buying income. What's up, brother? How you like them silver calls? My boy Buying Income and I went out to breakfast and schemed this play, bro. Oh, what about a silver car? Oh yeah, you can definitely go buy a full silver car right now. I would definitely recommend that. All right, let's see if we can get the false alert, bro. Whenever this happens, whenever we get just a straight push up, we always get a false alert, bro. I don't know how to fix it. Haha, you said wait for the pullback on silver last week. It's doing good, too good. No, that's what I'm saying. We got the pullback. What are you talking about? I'm saying we did. We got the pullback into our second wave. Look, right here, second wave between the 618 retracement and the 786. This is the pullback. I mean, arguably, even if we didn't pull back here, your golden zone is right here too. So you could have been DCAing in this zone the whole time, and that's what I have on the chart. I didn't end up buying any more because I already had $5,000 worth. I wanted to see a better price, but I'm just saying. But there we go. Let's see if we chop. What calls did Cook have? Bro, is everyone just going insane, bro? Everyone is going insane? The Buzzanachi? Is that what I need to call it? Also, boys, don't remember, y'all can hit me up if you guys ever want to see any kind of YouTube videos posted. I know there was a few people asking for the Fibonacci stuff, so that's why I made that video. If anybody ever wants to see a video broken down like that or wants to see me yap or something like that, let me know. Because low-key, that video did not take too long to make. It only took like 30 minutes. I just made that shit and tossed it up. We had some questions about Fibonacci retracements. I was like, you know what? Let me just, put it into words. Let me check in on chat here, cuzzo. All right. Oh, no. It's like I want to take some profits on gold or on silver, but it's like, dude, we're just so. I don't even see the point. We still got a year left. SRFM, what are we at now? 306. I mean, we're still up $1. I mean, we're still up 50% right here. So at the end of the day, I mean, take your trims, but we're still up 50%. So you still got some time. Ugh. All right. We now have established our orb. We have established the orb. Oh, boys. I had a coffee this morning trying to beat the bubble guts, and I don't think I did. Thought you were saying to get in them now. My bad. Oh, wait. Am I behind? What? You think $3 is a good entry on SRFM? I personally don't. I don't think it's a bad entry. I mean, it's still so cheap, but I personally wouldn't. I'm gonna be honest with you. Nebius of 70 bones, T1. Boys, we up put time incoming, Buzzy? Possibly, possibly. You know how I am on Mondays. I'm slow and boring on Mondays. Y'all gotta give it its time, in my opinion. I don't y'all know me. I don't fuck around with Mondays, bro. Mondays will get you killed if you're not careful. So we just gotta take our time, take it slow, and we'll be good. My hood 190 put up bigums. Wait. $18 call for EOS. Okay, bro. I'm looking at 5 cons today. Yeah. Yeah. Tomorrow we can probably once we get over 2K, we can kind of start extending it, but not on a Monday, first of all. I mean, if you guys really want, we could go 700. If you guys want to really go a little crazy, we could go 700 and leave some buying power. But if we do go 700 and we win the trade, I will not be taking another trade. So I'm at $1,743. Yes. What'd you say? AMD calls? Where are we at with that? Hey. I don't hate this. Wait until we get the break and then wait for the orb alert. And I like these a lot, dude. I like these a lot. I mean, if we break yesterday's high, that's going to be the big thing. Like, you want to see yesterday's high get broken. But if we can do that, then we're chilling. The only thing is yesterday's high is right there. But I would only assume that that's similar for most of these stocks or most of our stocks today. Palantir does look good. Palantir looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Palantir looks pretty good. If Palantir orb breaks, I wouldn't be opposed to that. So we're taking a little bit of a dip here. All righty. SIO. Let me go look at silver futures, see what we're looking at over here. Okay. Wait, it's 48. Okay, so we got orb here. This is where our orb lies. We got TJR in the chat. What you mean? All right, I'm gonna keep watching this here. Yeah. Trim silver at all-time highs. Hey, not a bad idea, bro. Not a bad idea. EOS is up 7%. All right, boys, one second. I'm gonna go grab a water. Bro, someone over on TikTok said that they shorted SanDisk. Oh shit. Oh shit. Get your calls ready, boys. Holy fuck, my bad. Get your calls ready. My bad. I'm gonna be looking at. Let's go check. I do want to be careful though because we are going into kind of a demand zone. I kind of just want to play this back up to opening price, or not opening price, sorry, yesterday's high, and just take a quick little scalp on this and then get into something new if we need to. 3 minutes left. Okay. We'll wait for the pullback. Is this A plus? This is A right now. I'm not gonna lie, this is A. If we can get the retest, I don't like this. I don't love the spot that we're playing in, but I think it's A plus if we can go like this. If we can take our trade and it looks like this. Okay, back to yesterday's high, and then we have our stop loss really at this 2.52. I'll take it. I'll be looking at the 627 calls, and I'll be looking to buy 7 of these. EOS is up 10% also. Now we're going to make sure that this 5-minute candle closes over. We want to see this 2-minute candle bounce off of orb high. Okay. And then we'll look to enter. I'm looking at these 627 calls. QQQ 627 calls is what I'm looking at. I am not in. I'm looking at them. I'll be looking to get in once we do close this candle. If we close this candle green, I'll get in. But remember, guys, 5 to 7 contracts, no more. No more. No more than 5 to 7 max on our 1 to 5K. Okay. All right. All right, we'll take it slow. We'll take it slow, remember. I would love to see this 5-minute candle close over orb. That would make me feel a lot more comfortable because if we do come up and we kind of just filled this kind of gap right here, and we want to continue down now, that's a very Monday thing to happen. So I would be very careful. You can kind of see if this 3-minute wants to sweep. But, oh. All right, baby. We're taking calls. We're taking calls. We're looking at the 627 calls. Looking at them, not taking them, looking at them. This is a very bullish close. Well, I didn't like that as much. But we should be able to see, now that we have this fair value gap, I would love to see us pull back down on top of this fair value gap and then see a bounce off of it. That would be pretty bullish here on the 2-minute. 3-minute should have a fair value gap as well. Yes, I want to see this 3-minute fair value gap get retested, and then I'll look for an entry. That's the entry I'm looking for right now, is a retest off this fair value gap. Okay, it looks like we're about to get it. Get ready for your entries. If we do get a bullish bounce off this, we'll watch on the 2-minute here. But this 5-minute candle's got 20 seconds left, so if we can get a bounce off of this, we'll look good. If we close them inside, we'll just wait. But yeah, we should be getting a bounce here. Wait, see. I'll wait here. If we don't break this, this is going to be give us a good put opportunity once we break this 3-minute gap. So I'm down to wait and play both sides here. No reason to go too heavy. All right. I'm gonna switch for now, guys. I'm actually gonna go down to the 626 calls. If we are gonna get an opportunity here, and I'm gonna go 5 contracts. I'm gonna go 5 contracts at 626. If we're gonna get this entry, we're gonna need a good bounce off of this fair value gap, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm not loving it either. I mean, I think it looks like we should just drop back inside, but if we're gonna get this bounce off, I'm gonna take. Wait, is there news coming out today? No. No news. No news Monday. Oh, let's see. AMD call workout. Yeah, AMD's call looks good. And if we break yesterday's high, it looks real good. See, this is what I like to see, though. If this green candle closes, or if this candle closes green, I'll probably hop in. I hate when it puts you in these, like, Powell investigation. Yeah, I saw that. That's just whack. That shit's just whack. That is just whack. All right, dude. 3-minute candle, push up for me. Oh, I like this entry, but I just don't. I'm not. I don't like it enough. I'm not taking this on a Monday morning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I refuse to do it. I refuse to do it. We have all week. You know. I'm sorry, but yeah. At the end of the day, I got to stick to what I can stick to, and right now that's being a smart trader and not chasing. If we miss this one, we miss it. But boys, I'm not gonna start the week off because we just want to get antsy. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm watching pretty closely right now, but TE's up 5%, Nebius is up 3%, EOS is up 6%. You know, Silver's up 6%. Like I'm not gonna make this a bad day because we wanted to get antsy. So we're gonna wait here. We're gonna wait and see what we can get. Because look, if we're gonna sweep this high right here, look, if we close red here, I'm not gonna say that I'm like inputs, but I'm looking at puts pretty heavily here. If we are gonna, yeah, dude, like this is a, yeah, I'm definitely looking at puts now. I would like to look at the 625 puts. Okay, well, if that's not gonna happen, that's fine. But obviously, just knowing that we have both scenarios to play for. I wouldn't hate the entry here on calls if we do get a good close, and then we can now wait for a 2-minute retest. But at the end of the day, it's just not the best spot. I'll go look at other stuff too, because we could find Palantir didn't break orb. Yeah, just a choppy morning, low key. Except for silver. Silver is just running. I might look for a little scalp on silver futures if anybody's looking. All right, so a quick raise of hands. Who actually does futures trade? I know like coffee. I know a few others do, but I'm down for a silver scalp. I do. Okay. Yeah, AMD looks good right now, boys. AMD does look good. If you're gonna take this trade, you're getting your retest right now. Wait for your retest and wait and make sure that this actually bounces off because it does look like we could be getting some. To me, it looks like we could be coming back inside. Looks like orb doesn't want to hold too well today, so I'm not gonna push it. Anyone in our range think it's a chase to go now? I do right now. I think if you wait for a pullback, it'd be fine. I don't have the capital, TBH. You need less capital, low key. You honestly need less. Soon when I get my funded, let's go. I trade futures new to options. Try prop firms. Yes, sir. Yeah, prop firms are the way. Do not trade on like. Hold on. Why not get an AMD? I mean, we can. We can. I can watch AMD here. Here, I'll go like this. All right, AMD is on the left. QQQ is on the right. AMD is on the left. QQQ is on the right. This ain't a bad close. This ain't a bad close. I like this. I like it. I just, I don't know. On the 2-minute here, we're really just flagging. I mean, AMD and QQQ are pretty lined up right now. This is pretty lined up. Yeah, I just don't feel. I like the way that we're holding on top of orb, but also, I mean, it does look like we want to just drop through. I'm just going to be honest. So that is the reason I haven't taken the AMD call yet. But AMD is bouncing off the low there. AMD call structurally, AMD looks better than MNQ, but overall with MNQ looking. CoreWeave is running. Oh, what's this? The newest alert? Hey, the newest alert to the Discord, CoreWeave is up 10% the first day after I send out the alert. Wow. W, boys. Anybody get that? Anybody get that? I literally alerted that Friday. Come on, bro. That's insane. Come on. We literally alerted that on Friday, bro. Attaboy, Zach. Good shit, dude. Good shit. I mean, seriously. That's insane. That's insane. I was looking at it, I was like, bro, this shit looks pretty good. Yeah, so basically I'm about to rug pull all of you guys through a $50 billion company. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Who's the GOAT? I am the GOAT. All right, I'm going to put silver up over here because I might look at taking a quick scalp on SI. Let me look at SI. I don't have the real-time data. All right, well, we'll look at this. It's a little bit off, but that's fine. Later, Terror. Have fun on the line, brother. Ash TXNGOR7. Go look at the alert that I sent out. I know I put the buy targets on there, or what level's the buy below. I believe it was 87.5, so at 88 you're fine. But silver just had a little bit of a red candle there. All right, I am definitely starting to look at QQQ puts here. We're breaking through that 3-minute fair value gap. Well, we're getting to the low of the 3-minute fair value gap. You trading futures or options? I normally, I alert options, but I trade futures as well. So we're gonna start alerting futures too. It's just kind of hard to do both. So if you guys are ever trading futures, and one in on some of these plays, you guys can just take my QQQ alert on MNQ. That's what I do at the end of the day. Hold on, we got the dog barking here. Hold on. Come on, Buster. She ain't there. Dog be getting all pissed off. My girl in here. I'm filtering my chip. What? Oh, Falang. I was like, what? Filter. All right. We are chilling here, boys. But yeah, we'll be up in all 3 futures accounts today, hopefully, and then tomorrow we could possibly take the first payout ever. All right, yeah, I'm pretty bearish on M&Q here, dude. I'm thinking about taking a possible put. The only thing, yeah, I'm pretty bearish here. I'm gonna be honest with you. D-Dot, I don't know what you're looking at, but I'd be looking at the. Let me see. Probably the 624s once we do break out of this bottom range, if we are going to, of course. Silver pressing up. But yeah, if we break down below this and we can get, how much money do you need to trade futures? $89. $89 is what you need. You buying CRWV yet or waiting for a pullback? I mean, I alerted it at 83 or 82 or whatever. So, yeah, always zero to T for the most part. Silver is looking like it's ready for its orb break. I might take a look at silver swings. Sorry, silver. God, what the fuck am I talking about? Scalps. Jesus. Actually, I don't know if I really like this because this PM highs or pre-market highs, all-time high, I do believe. Yeah, I'm gonna focus him in Q for real. I do think that we do push down. I do. The only thing that does worry me is over on futures, you are coming into the EMAs, but at the end of the day, what's it to you? CRWV puts looks like it's dropping, bro. It's up 10%. Just because it's up 10% doesn't mean you just get to take puts on it. I disagree with that mindset that I see a lot. We're looking at I wouldn't take CRWV puts. It's obviously showing that it's bullish. I wouldn't try and fight any kind of trend. I bet you it might go down because it's 10% is up a lot, but not worth. It's just not worth the risk reward. That's all. I'll never touch Roblox again, bro. That one time we got into puts on Roblox after they literally had an announcement that like there's something or other was like touching little kids or something, or like sending pornography to kids. And then the stock didn't go down, and I was just like, wow, this is insane. Like most corrupt shit I've ever seen. Yeah, Czar sent out something, and it was like literally a whole entire like document about how like kids get like literally like I don't know like they see shit they shouldn't fucking see, and it's like bad for kids, and they're like literally just like pedophiles on the app. And the stock went up the next day, and I was like, bro, there's actually no fucking chance. Like I'm done. Like literally, they're just getting groomed online, bro. It's like this is insane. And then I was like, I'm just not even have a part of this, bro. That's what I'm saying, Crystal. Exactly. I mean, it's just like I don't know. I don't understand how it's not zero, but I mean, yeah. Epstein and ethical buzz. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's low key crazy when you're just not a shitty person. Like what? Yes. Yeah. No, I'm gonna be honest, and I don't know. It's just not my thing, bro. It's just not my thing. I'm very happy that it's also not my thing, bro. People will be doing some weird shit. But yeah, after that happened, I was like, bro, there's no reason. Some stocks, bro, like Carvana, like Klarna, you just can't bet against them, bro. Oh, also, boys, my boy Armin just reminded me. My whole entire Discord is like, don't forget Buzz or Chuzz, boys. Do not forget about Buzz or Chuzz. All right, over on the TikTok, Buzz or Chuzz has been low key pretty fun. Oh, god damn it! I didn't mean to do that. Buzz or Chuzz has been fun, bro. Armin Sarukian, no. Dude, why can I not type TikTok? TikTok. But yeah, the Buzz or Chuzz series, I got hella of them posting and ready to come out. So make sure you guys check up on that. And And let me show you this real quick. Bang. This, first of all, Buzzer Chuzz is coming out. Make sure you guys go comment what you guys like to see on Buzzer Chuzz. All of these are live. So please go check those out. And then these are coming out. I have some more coming out here soon. But also, let me switch this back to the stream because I don't want to take you guys away from being able to see shit. Bang. Also, we have the YouTube videos dropping tonight. So, goddamn, this damned ass dog. No, guys, do not get anything yet. Griff, please stop. Yo. Do not get anything yet. There's literally nothing here. There's nothing here. We're getting close. We're getting close. But there's nothing here yet. Come on, dude. You just want in and out, in and out? Come on. About to put damn doggy door in my shit. But what time do you usually trade futures? Really anytime, bro. I will literally trade futures anytime. It really does work almost anytime. I trade Asia session sometimes. Like last time I traded Asia session, that's why I'm up already on all of my accounts, except for one. And that account I just haven't taken a trade on, so I'm still green. But okay, I am gonna go look at a possible SIL Scalpington. I might even wait for us to not only break orb, but also break these all-time highs and then get a retest. Because last time silver broke all-time highs, we really just kind of consolidated for a little bit and then ran. So I'd like to see that something like that happen again. Oh, we're definitely going higher, bro. Silver is going higher today, bro. I don't know what to tell you. Silver's going higher today. I don't know what to tell you. I like this puppy. Order filled. Yeah. Can you trade anytime when using orb? No. No. Orb is only in the morning and at 7 p.m. Central. Market open, so 8:30 Central, and then market open for Asia session, so 7 Central. 7 Central. Yep, silver's exploding. I mean, it's like literally just absolutely fucking ripping. 57% on these contracts now, boys. On these leaps, bro, you're joking. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. I wish it said something for like take profit instead of like, imagine it was like stop loss, dumbass. Take profit. Get off. Go touch grass. That would be lit. If you could customize it, that would be so lit. Custom messages would be so lit, bro. You lose a trade and it just says like fucking loser. You win a trade, it's like, hey, bet, let's go. What do you trade on futures? Mostly silver and M&Q. Yeah. I trade SIL and M&Q. By the way, if you're going to trade SIL, be so goddamn careful. Be so goddamn careful. Please. Please. I beg of you. That shit will literally ruin your entire... Dude, SIL is insane. I take one. Should have took that long, buddy. Fuck! I told you guys. I told you. I told you. That shit alerted, man. I know. I just didn't like the way that QQQ was at. I mean, they look good. They look good. It's just like I'm fine taking the trade if you guys really want to. I'm fine taking the trade up to yesterday's high because it's a good trade. But it's just not on a Monday. It's just scary on a Monday, bro. It's just scary. It's just so scary. I'm just terrified and shaking in my boots. I also trade MHG. What is MHG? MHG. What is that? But mostly. Oh wait, sorry. And MES. Oh, it's copper. I'm retarded. That was the next word. I mean MGC. And gold is gas too. I'll trade gold here and there, but with the recent price action silver's been getting, bro, it's just unbeaten. Like it's just you just can't beat silver. You just can't beat it, bro. You can't beat it, bro. Silver may have just swept the highs. You have 100 people in here. Holy cow! Yes, sir. We had 120 earlier. Let's go. Oh, bro, these AMD calls are moving. Fuck. Fah! All right, I'm fine. I'm fine jumping into some calls if you guys want to. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I'm real indecisive right now. I hate the Monday morning price action, bro. She's so slow. She's so slow. Bro. Yeah. I don't dude. It's just market's just being choppy. Choppy. No opportune. No opportune. God, I really want to see an opportunity for puts here, just because there's so much more possible. We just have so much more downside possibilities here. I think futures would be safer for today. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I agree. I'm gonna switch this back to silver here. Still looking at the silver, possible silver or break, but we're breaking back in. We're also breaking back in on MEQ. Damn. Why is futures safer than options? You don't have theta. So if you pay attention to options and you're in a 0 DTE call, say for example we take a 0 DTE call and you hold it for 30 minutes, whether that call goes up or down, you're gonna lose money to theta. And with futures, you don't do that. So futures basically you just have less risk. I mean, it's simply that easy. You just have less risk based off the fact that you can hold the contracts as long as you want. So I wouldn't really say less risk, but if you play it the right way, it does turn out to be that way. Kind of hard to explain. Yeah, of course. Of course. Dude, QQQ holding back above orb again. It's like hella 5-minute candle closures above. 2 15-minute candles have closed above, and we got one more here. So it's just hard to say, bro. It's hard to say. I would love to see us just actually get some good price action and then make the run up to 627 and then just dump the rest of the week. Because, I mean, I don't think this week looks the most bullish, in my opinion. Especially with what they're talking about on Wednesday. We could also just be getting chopped because of what is coming on Wednesday, which would be pretty ass. I'm not going to lie. That would be pretty ass. And I would not like to see that. But Silva. Silver closed below. MNQ closed above. Jeez, bro. It's like we have so many 5-minute candle closures above. Yeah. The slow price action be making me actually go crazy, bro. Just makes me actually go crazy. I'm going to tweak out. What's your strategy for futures? Orb. I just do orb as well. And then I do a bunch of let me find a way to okay, so if this is my model really. This is really my model. I'm looking for a fair value gap once we sweep highs. This is like my ideal entry right here. This is what I look at. This is what I look at, man. This right here, man. So this is this, man. And this is what I look at. So, if that makes sense. So you sweep highs right here. Obviously, this might be a little bit lower. This might be a little bit higher. So it might be something like this. But really, you'd sweep highs and then come back, make a fair value gap, retest that bearish fair value gap. And then once you retest that bearish fair value gap and prove that you're moving in that direction, then you take the put or the corresponding whatever it may be. So inversely, if we do move upwards, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, Cuzzle. Oh, I almost wanted to scalp silver back down to these lows right here. But once again, just don't want to get caught in anything. I just feel like the market's just being whack. Like this M&Q, like this is the thing with theta. Like who was asking? Swanee was asking. So like here's the thing for QQ. Like say you enter a call right here. You're probably red on this position, even though it's gone up. You're probably red on this position, even though it's gone up. Inversely, because of futures not having theta decay, you're clearly green. It literally has just gone up. That's all you have to worry about. Are we looking at puts? We're really not looking at much right now. I mean, we're waiting for any kind of direction at all would be nice. But yeah, I'm looking at a possible short on silver on futures. But I don't want to bet against the trend here with silver because silver is very, very, very bullish overall, and it can easily just turn around. So I know it's boring to wait in here, and I hate to keep you guys here all morning, but I'm not going to learn something and screw you guys over. So at the end of the day, just know I have your best interest in mind, as well as my own. I'm not trying to lose a trade too, but I know it's boring. I know it sucks, but it's part of it, bro. I had some dude hit me up last week. We didn't take a trade one of the days, and he was like, bro, like, I'm trying to get a trade in. It's like, dude, I can just send you some, like, complete bullshit if you want to lose money, but if I don't see a trade, that means that there's nothing, bro. Some days it's just going to be like that. I mean, shit, look at all of December, bro. Look at literally all of December. There was not a single opportunity for damn near anything until the last week, if that. The first week was great, but after that, it's like, bro. All right. EOS is still up 5%. Nebius is up 6% now. Damn, Nebius is running. Nebius moving. Last week went crazy like crazy. Yes, bro. The last 2 weeks, this whole new year has been insane, bro. The price, I mean, dude, we started the new year off with a 527% play. 527% to start the new year. I mean, like, bro, if that didn't tell you what the hell we were about to do, I told you guys 2026 we get nasty. We'd get nasty. And y'all said, okay, I'll be there. But y'all didn't think we was gonna get nasty like this, bro. We got Freaky Fridays now. Like, I mean, come on. Freaky Fridays are just insane. Damn, now MQ's running, bro. Now we're breaking. I would love to see a possibility where we do break these highs and we could just take a scalp to those yesterday's or to prior day high. That would be nice. That would be really nice. But I just don't really trust anything, man. I just don't trust it. I don't trust this price action on a Monday morning. I've got trust issues with the good old QQQ. Not really. She's been nice to us. Bro, in the 1 to 5K account, that shit has been QQQ's been in the bread and butter. QQQ's been the bread and butter. I believe we're up over 1,000 on just QQQ. $933. We've had 3 losing trades, and 2 of them have been on non-QQQ related shit. Nebius is cruising. Bloom Energy is finally red for the day. What the hell? I didn't know Bloom Energy could be red. All right. AMD is rocketing, dude. Up 2.68%. That was the move. It looks like AMD was the move. That was the move. Rip a little dick a little. Fuck this, transferring 4K from port to Roth. Why? I mean, that's not a bad idea at all. I don't disagree with that at all. It's actually a good idea. But why? But why? 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 Silver push up. Silver push up. I want to see silver push up, man. Damn. Dude, I just want to see a fucking good opportunity of some sort. What is orb? Brother. What does you mean, man? Hold on. Here, Booney. I got a task for you today, brother. Dude, why is my Discord lagging like crazy, bro? What's the retracement buy-in for him? Sub 30. It's all good, BXB. Now we got to put him on. I sold 2 silver calls for 55. Couldn't resist my tempting round. Early waiting for silver pull. I already started to buy silver, bro. Dude, my Discord is lagging like absolutely insane. Nah, Orb's the move. Orb is the move. You know what's not the move? This shitty ass price action, bro. Just so it can slam down. It works for me. I just want to see us go to yesterday's high. If we can just push up to yesterday's high, sweep those highs, give us a good inversion, and we can take these puts all the way down to the dirt. That would be beautiful. I want to see a good setup. I just want to see a good setup. Please, Poppy, give me a good setup. How is gold looking? Like dun 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 dun. Gold is looking pretty good though. Gold is low-key looking pretty good. I'm not going. I can't lie to you. Gold is looking pretty strong. I can't do it. I can't do it either because we got this. We could just be sweeping these highs, bro. I just don't. There's just not. Everything looks fine. Like it looks technically, it looks okay. But mixed with it being a Monday and mixed with the time it's taking for this to play, I mean, these are 5-minute candles. If this was 2-minute candles, bro, oh, hell yeah, I'm in all day. But, like, I just can't force a play, bro. Just can't. I wish. Nah, Booney, you're good, bro. You're good. BXB was reminiscing back to when he first learned. The shit gets nostalgic. Oh. All right. Is MNQ gonna? What we got here? MNQ? You gonna bounce off this high or what? Silver is looking for a new all-time high. About there. I'd love to see it push up to 87 today. I'll take trims at 87. EOS is up 7% again, by the way. TE still up 3%. Silver is up 7%. Wow. 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 What do I think about Intel? I really don't like Intel, to be honest with you. I don't. I think Booney, you're in the video today, by the way. You're in let me go take a screenshot of it. You will see today. But to spoil it a little bit, I'm not the biggest fan of Intel. I just don't like it. While they're growing, there was a reason for the massive pullback. Like, they're not. I just don't think that they're anything close to what people are saying. You know, like, people are saying like, oh my god, Nvidia's buying them. Yeah, they're buying them because the government's telling them to. Like, because the government's also backing it. Like, of course Nvidia's buying. So this is the video that's coming out today, boys. Don't miss that, Johnny. Do not miss that, Johnny. Bro, I just want to see a damn move happen, bro. Oh my god. Can we just see something? Something. I want to see silver move up over the next 30 minutes. I like that. I also like MNQ possibly moving down over the next 30 minutes. You rang? I heard Johnny. I'm sorry. Oh, shit. Johnny Rocket, Johnny Rocket. Johnny Roger. God damn. This market makes me want to blow my head off. Alrighty then, what is going to happen? MNQ, are we coming back inside of orb? Oh my god. Are we going to? Are we going to? Will the woodpecker sing? Will the chumnucker sing, buddy? Okay, we don't have a fair value gap. We don't have a fair value gap. Be nice if we could create one. QQ taking that shit right now. Ugh. Ah, damn it. The second I click away, silver actually touches the... Technically, silver just made a new all-time high, guys. Technically, my calls are up 58%. By the way, in case you were wondering. Okay, and MNQ is just dunking, man. Taking that dunkali. Dunkily nunkily, man. Man, I meal prep my food for the week and this shit's still not gonna move. Damn. Okay. 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 I'm okay. I'm ready to look at a possible put on MNQ. I do think that we could do the bounce here, but god damn. MNQ is dumping all. MNQ is dumping all. All right, I'm gonna look at I'm gonna go to just the MNQ chart, or sorry, MNQ, the QQQ chart here. Bro, I'm buzzing this morning. Coffee and the Adderall, bro, that shit gets you livid. Livid. I'm living. All right. All right. Oh, man. Silver wants to be a lame. Okay. Can we hold this as a fair value gap and then retest this so we can finally get something to go our way, please? Please. I think we'll get an opportunity here soon if we can just, God, please, Lord, just break down. Break down. Jeez, bro. Why? QQ obviously does not want to be here. It wants to be on the floor. I'm just a little tweaky right now, bro. It's chill. BitGo. Monday morning lines on the desk, bro. Trust. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, dude. Drugs are not funny, bro. Drugs are not funny. BitGo is a digital asset trust and security company that provides oh my god, I'm so stupid. Institutional grade cryptocurrency custody, trading, settlement. Oh my god, another fucking Unless you're off the gas, that shit's a little funny. Bro, what the fuck is this candle? What are we doing? What are we doing, bro? Oh, look, we made a 3-minute first value gap. Alright, if this 5-minute candle closes red, I'm for sure is he getting in, brother. For sure is he getting in, brother. Does you smoke weed? Only at nights. Only at nights. I've severely cut back. I severely cut back, but I'll be honest with y'all. I'll be honest with y'all. Sometimes at nights. If it's been a long day, I'll dabble. Thank you, Radio Barry. I think the same too. I know I'm the shit. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Nah, it's low-key kind of fun, bro. Low-key, I hate taking my ADHD medicine, bro. It's just like, I don't know. I low-key fuck with tweaking sometimes. You know what I'm saying, bro? You ever just not taking, anybody who's got ADHD, you ever just fuck with just tweaking sometimes? You know? Not dead ass. Like if I have a crazy day and I got nothing to do, bro, yeah, I might go toke a little stogie real quick and then get off the charts, bro. Like, you know? The method is the spliffs, bro. Y'all gotta get with the spliffs. Y'all don't know nothing about that spliff. Nah, literally Asia session, bro. Asia session, a little bit of crud. You're locked. You're so locked. We're getting degenerate already, boys. We're getting so bored. Nah, that Buzz might have some in him if you know about the split. I told you, BXB. I told you I was born in Queens, bro. What are you talking about? I told you. Bro, I'm tapped in. I am tapped in, bro. Trust me. Trust me. How did you become profitable? Shrooms, bro. For the one time, you're profitable. The double doofer, bro. What? This dude's talking Dr. Doofenshmirtz to me. Making my moon rock. Y'all, bro. Low key, boys, I think we're too tight knit. We might be too many chillers in one chat, bro. This is an issue. Make my own moon rock. You start live trading during Asia, dude. I want to. My only issue with that is like, I got a girl low key. And two, like, I've been doing the Discord shit all day long. Like, I know I'm not like, I mean, I'm active as possible. I hope you guys see that I'm pretty active, but like at the end of the day, like, bro, I spend I spend probably 3 to 4 hours a day just making content, and editing content, and posting content, and all that kind of shit. So it's like, low key at nights, I'm kind of spent. I'm low key kind of spent, and then like a lot of times my girl will just sit with me at my desk, and I'll just trade futures, and she'll just scroll on TikTok or whatever. So I wouldn't be a bad idea, but I can't commit to that. I'm down to start, going live more and more. But like whenever she's over here, that's kind of my time with her, unfortunately. Bro, silver's up 7% today. That's so wicked. Yeah, this is a very interesting Monday. Hood just got an orb call. I mean, if you want to take it for the rest of the week, I don't hate it. Nah, I don't like it, bro. I don't like that. Bro, just not a single thing, bro. I was like, should have just taken those AMD calls when we saw them. But even those were... How long did Bullish Buzz and the Bullish Huzz been together? We've been together for like 4 years, bro. Been together for quite some time. High school sweethearts type ish. Yeah. Well, when you get married, that's crazy. Yeah. Whoa. She's going to school for nursing, so I told her once she's done with that. So he's still got a few more years. Are we invited, bro? Y'all are all pulling up, bro. Y'all are all pulling up. Yes, sir. Y'all know. We're trading Asia session that night too. So I'm gonna hop on, tell my speech, and then I'm gonna end it with silver longs, motherfuckers. Silver longs. I can officiate. Hell yeah. Thank you, radio. You're the GOAT. Y'all are my witnesses, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, I had the best idea. Okay, I don't drink. I don't drink at all. I mean, I will like I will on like New Year's and like, events like, 4th of July or some shit, but like really I don't. And bro, I wish I did for the sole reason that you guys know how funny a series would be of me trading Asia session drunk as fuck. That'd be so fucking funny. That'd be so funny. First name your first kid Orb. I got you, bro. I was actually already planning on it. Already planning on it. You beat me to it. That's what I'm saying, bro. Second one's at TP. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like you gotta every time you enter a trade, you gotta fucking drink a beer. Every time you lose a trade, you gotta drink a beer. Every time you win a trade, you gotta drink a beer. Like some shit. Every time you lose a trade, you gotta take a shot. Every time you win a trade, you gotta drink a beer. Middle child gotta be stop loss? Nah, bro. Maybe so he doesn't get touched. We don't hit stop loss. Good tap out about 15 minutes and the market doesn't move. Yeah. I'd be wasted so fast. That's funny. I'm gonna get the CPAP machine and just attach it to the crud. You might need to bring out the hammer and magnet. Oh, low key. I don't even like. Now at this point, it's like I don't even want to. We just have so many wicks now that it's like now you can't. Originally, I would have loved to get an entry like here if we can break, but now it's like, well, we also have this low and we're holding up. I hate this goddamn price action, but I also hate not taking a trade. I mean, if we're not gonna get someone, I'm not gonna force it once again. But I would just love to see something like this. If we could have just gotten something, like I mean, geez, even if we do end up coming down here, if we can get an entry possibly even like on a retest right here or something. I don't know, man, but I don't know. Gamecocks, hey, there you go, brother. That's good to recognize that shit and good to make the idea that you got to get off. Is there a way we could all play Uno? Fuck, I don't know. Shit, maybe. We all need to just jump in the live and start running stake. No trade better than a loss. Yes, sir. Shout out to Will for making me something before this choppy ass market. Yeah, no shit, bro. All right. Looks like silver is pressing up through all-time highs right now, looking like it wants to make a new all-time high. We will see what this ends up looking like. Looks like M&Q wants to make an all-time low and go to 0 for a play some BJ. Hey, pause. No, I'm just kidding. I'll literally run the table in blackjack, bro. Y'all are not winning. Yeah, what do you mean by BJ, D-Dot? Why are you trying to get freaky and act like nobody sees? $250 in a 4K. Goddamn. One time my boys like probably a month ago, we turned 150 into 450. Not too bad. Bought some evals with that shit. Run poker. Y'all think it's a no trade day? It might be. It might be. I mean, we're just gonna wait for something, but low-key, I got nothing to do today, and y'all are low-key. I don't hate you guys, so I guess I'll stay in chat. I mean, I'm just playing. But yeah, I don't know about a trade today. I mean, just realistically, but so don't waste your time if y'all got something to do. But we are getting closer to an opportunity that we're looking for here. I just want to see some actual movement. Yeah, I could easily see the chop because of news tomorrow. We could even just take some for tomorrow. Because I mean, this is like we're about to drop off a cliff. I mean, if we do, we're literally about to drop off a cliff. I would love to see a trade where we can get maybe a push down, and then we can hopefully re-enter around the zone, like maybe a retest of this IFVG, or even really this at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, that's really that's a good trade, bro. Back down to opening price. D-Dot, I agree. I don't, but at the end of the day, like, I know what it means. So, and we haven't really gotten a good fair value gap to judge anything off of up here. I mean, like there's no fair value gaps up here. We have this 3-minute way up here, but it's super tiny anyways. So it's like we literally haven't even retested a 1-minute fair value gap. Like we haven't even created one. So naming your child Silver isn't even that bad. That's low key could be the move. Silver may be the new move. Silver is just so meta, bro. I'm up 58% on these cons. Quick little port peep. Y'all want to see a quick little port peep? Zingo, up to 210 ounces in silver physical. Ooh, between personal and S Corp holding. Wait, S Corp holding? Like you got a LLC for it? Hold up. Also, Zayo Bros, I got your I got your shirt in circulation. I'm working on it, bro. Trust. Why did the hood get alerted? Wait, why did Robinhood get alerted? It shouldn't have gotten alerted. We didn't even break. If we break yesterday's high on the 5-minute and then retest, I do like that trade. I probably will not be taking it, but I do like the trade. Silver is kind of just flirting around all-time highs right now. I don't know how. We could be getting a sweep of all-time highs. It doesn't super look like it, but I do like hood here. I do think this is a good call. If we can break and retest even on the 2-minute, I wouldn't hate this trade. I'm not going to take this one. Just cause if it was a Friday, I would 100% take this, but God damn it, maybe we could. Hold on, let's do some looking. Possibly. Oh, boyos. We really don't have a whole lot, bro. We could take this trade. Oh, man. Just the overall market just doesn't look like it's going to really agree with it. If you guys want, let me look at these. We could take these in the background. Like we could take these with like 500 and just let them run this week and then just kind of check in over the week if you guys want. I'm actually not against that at all. Like we can just let these run all day for the most part. Start adding CRWV. Yes, sir. I think it's good. I think it looks good. Let me see what the theta is on the. I would honestly be looking at buying like 3 of the 621 calls if we can bounce here. Fuck it. Y'all want to have some fun? Y'all want to finally get in a trade? Let's wait until we retest. We're doing that right now, but let's wait until we can prove that we're going to hold this orb, and then we can take the orb. I'm not against this for the rest of the week too. Have you looked at Tim? We alerted Tim back when Nancy Pelosi bought it back in the day. And I don't love it. I don't hate it. I do think it is a little bit overrated. I think that there is other things that are much better, but at the end of the day, it's a good stock. It's a good stock. I have covered it in the past, so I can update a chart if you remind me. But yeah, boys. I'm looking at the 621 calls. Buying like maybe, I don't know. I do want to see. I don't know if I love that. I do want to see us get a 5-minute candle closure. 5-minute candle closure above yesterday's high. So, but dude, this fucking orb, this is actually insane price action, bro. Like this is the worst shit I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God, EOS up 10% today, boys. EOS, I told you. 621 call? No, I'm not in right now. Hold on, let me go check. It's just there's nothing good, man. There's nothing good. Wait, 621? What are you guys talking about? 621? 621 puts? Oh, I was talking about Robinhood, bro. My bad. I meant 121. My bad. I was talking about Robinhood calls. My bad. I was talking about if we were going to take those calls. But I want to see 5-minute candle close above yesterday's high. My bad. Are tariffs on Wednesday? I do believe so. I believe that is the announcement or whatever that they're doing. So it looks like silver could be done. Take a little done here. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. This is just a boring ass market. In the one time that I don't have to take a shit in the middle of a trade. The one time I don't got to literally blow my pants out. We're like, come on. Also, anybody who's got the parlay for tonight, bro? I opened that bets tab. I got to see that thing getting active. Buzz. Let's go on the tee. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Much love. Basically, I took a S Corp funds and bought SLV and holding a separate safety deposit box from the personal stash. IRS sees it on my QuickBooks. Technically, supposed to hold it separately. Yo, low-key, text me this shit. Text me this because, bro, I'm still in the point where, like, I'm trying to figure out how to take advantage best of, my tax benefits for the LLC and stuff like that. PPI, CPI. Let me look at Forex Factory. I low-key don't know. It may sound stupid, but, like, I honestly don't. Bro, my shit is bugging this morning, bro. Forex Factory. Jesus. Okay. Tomorrow we have CPI. Core CPI monthly, year over year. Yeah. Tomorrow we have CPI, and then Wednesday we have PPI. We have retail sales month over month, and I do believe we have that whatever the fuck it was called. Whatever it's called. God damn it, y'all know what I'm talking about. If I got low buying power, should I tail this trade or wait for a better one in the week? Dildo Skibbity. That's this guy's name. W name. But yeah, Dildo Skibbity. I would wait and take a better one. Did we break yesterday's high? Please tell me, Poppy. Oh, we did. If you guys want to, I'm down. We can hop in these. I'll grab 3. Honestly, I'll grab 4. 4 for 800 at 2. I'm in the 121 calls. All right, there we go. 121 calls. I got 4 of them. I'm not going to make these go. These are not going to go long at all, bro. Let me alert this real quick, and I'll show you guys the full position. 121 calls. 116.26 expo. 4 cons at 2. 2 even for 800. Okay. Oh no, boys, we're down $12. I'm down $12. Oh wait, my average price is. Whoop. All right. Average price is 1.95 on these. Let me go back and let's go check in on QQQ, because if QQQ is going to push up, we're going to get these drawn up. We are in roughly right around here. So our stop loss is literally just going to be right here. This would be not a great. What is this? 2.6. I'll take this. 2.6, and we can extend this higher. I mean, we could really, if we do get a bullish, week here, 121. But really, that's a 5 risk reward, dude. That's crazy. This is what we'll be looking at for now. I'm basically break even on these right now, so not the best average, but at the end of the day, it's not going to matter if we are correct on this play. So W boys. Up, guys. I'm up $4. Yes, for this Friday. Sorry, closest expiration. Yes, it's still not too late. We're only up $8. Y'all got time. But up $12, guys. 1%. Okay, baby. All right. Let's see. Can I get that damn bot in here that plays the music, bro? I'm still trying to do that. Failed to create a session. Unable to authenticate. Fuck